I'm Dr. Mike McIlwain.
I'm Dr. James McIlwain. I'm a pediatric dentist, and I've been here since 1978.
Our practice is very unique because we do a lot of things in-house, like we have general dentists, orthodontists, and pediatric dentists.
To serve our patients, we need to do the very best job that we can do every day with every patient.
So our previous office didn't have a very good flow. We wanted to highlight efficiency. We wanted to highlight comfort for the parents and the kids, and we wanted to highlight a great place for the staff to work.
We had 9 doctors in total, so it was really important for us to have a good workflow throughout the practice, down to like the shared sterilization area that we have and the connection between the pediatric side and the general side. It just needed to be a really easy workflow for us, our patients, and our staff. With our new practice and our new equipment, I want our patients to be wowed when they come in. I want them to appreciate the comfort of the equipment, as well as the design and the sleekness of the aesthetic of everything. Our staff, I want them to appreciate the easiness of the equipment and the quality that it provides for them on a day-to-day work basis.
We are able to offer a ton of treatments with the technology that we have in this office now. The Arcavo OP3D, it's allowed us to do tons of things with ortho and implant placement that we weren't able to do without having that technology in our office. That also integrates perfectly with our 3Shape Trio scanner. And so that allows us to really plan from start to finish all of our cases and allows us to really take care of those patients, but also illustrate that to the patients in 3 dimensions so that they can see it for themselves and know the outcomes they're going to get.
For a new dentist that is building a new practice, get your advisors on hand. Get advice from people who have recently built a practice. Work hand in hand with your Henry Schein reps.
Our office build experience was wonderful. It was a lot of time and effort. There was a lot that went into it, but Henry Schein was incredible to work with.
We've had a long-standing relationship with Henry Schein. They've always, taken care of us and really looked out for our best interests and for our patients' best interests.
Our Henry Schein reps, they were there every step of the way, from the design of our building and figuring out exactly how we wanted things to flow.
Knowing the dentistry, but also knowing our needs and what we needed in this new office was huge, and just the technology piece, the equipment, and being able to really give us great guidance and making sure that this was a dream office for us.
The office is it's a beautiful building. It's beautifully set up and designed, but it's comfortable. The patients come in here smiling, the kids come in here laughing and having a good time. Parents tell them they can't wait to go to the dentist, and you just don't hear that very often. So I think the reflection of the kids bouncing off the walls here and how happy they are show us that the design is amazing and very comforting.
Our new office is just beautiful. It's big and airy, and it's easy to get to, so I think we're going to be here for a long time.